margin of 1 cm all around the page. Let's fold the paper in half and mark the crease on top and bottom, which will give us the center line of the page. Next, let's take a thin white paper of the size of the rectangle created. Fold the paper in half to get the center line as shown. Now let's draw a shape of an eagle on it on the right hand side of the paper. Here we have finished drawing half the eagle on one side, its head, its feathers and the tail. Now let's cut the shape out using a paper knife and scissor. Once the shape is cut, let's fold the paper and trace the feathers on the other side of the paper using the stencil cut. Carefully cut the other side too. After cutting the paper, we get two pieces of the eagle shape, using which we are going to create two spray painting design of the eagle. Let's use this shape first to make a spray painting design. Taking the blue poster color, load it onto the toothbrush very little at a time. Spread the color over the shape using the thumb, creating a beautiful spray-like effect on the paper. Cover the area around the margins of the book, taking care not to drop the color. Make use of the newspaper or stick a masking tape around the margin while doing the spray painting. Here we have done the spray painting with one color. Now we can keep it as it is or use a second color, that is orange color, as shown. Here we have done the spray painting using two colors. Let's remove the paper cutout, and here is a beautiful effect of the spray painting technique. Now let's place the other paper stencil below on the drawing paper and do the spray painting only on the inside portion as shown. Here too we are going to use first blue then orange poster color for the technique. Once completed, we have a beautiful eagle design like this. So friends, here is the completed design of the eagle shape using the spray painting technique using toothbrush. Here we have created a negative painting style on the upper side and positive painting style below. This technique can also be done on fabric too. But in that case, we need to use acrylic colors and proceed in the similar way. Also, book covers, pillow covers, greeting cards, name font can be designed using this simple and easy technique. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share, subscribe and comment.